My name's Ysgrifenyddion. I'm studying a level 2 diploma in medical secretaries. The last Welsh I did was in high school. I currently help my twins with their Welsh with homework, but that's as far as it goes. I feel the course has definitely benefited me. No longer am I afraid of a Welsh piece of text. I feel the course has helped me to break down and identify certain words.
My name is Ysgrifenyddion. I'm studying as a medical secretary, level 2 diploma. The college provided me with the lessons to raise awareness of the importance of the Welsh language, which I find it really important. As I'm going to be working as a medical secretary, it's important because we have a variety of different people. They speak different languages, so it is important.
My name's Samantha Ysgrifenyddion, and I'm studying a level 2 diploma in medical secretary. Personally, I didn't feel as though Welsh was relevant until I did the Welsh qualification, and I feel like having even a little understanding of the Welsh language will benefit me in the long run, especially for people who are fluent in Welsh. I feel like I'll understand even the start of a conversation and then being able to point them in the right direction.